Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best transparent PC gaming case. If you're looking to build a stunning gaming rig that combines style and performance with a clear view of your components, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Product features: crystal clear tempered glass panels. The case uses 3mm top and 4mm side and front glass that shows off your build in all its glory. Refined aluminum frame and powder coating. Premium materials in black or white finish deliver durability and aesthetics. Reversible side bracket for radiator installation. Install cooling hardware easily and flip the mount for flexible configurations. Dual top panels, mesh or glass. Choose airflow optimized mesh or display optimized glass for different build styles. Wide compatibility and spacious interior. Designed to fit high-end components and showcase them without compromise. Swappable design and clean layout. Tailored for enthusiasts who want both high style and high performance. Versatile for work, play, showcase setups. Looks great in your gaming room, streaming setup, or enthusiast rig. Pros: transparent design lets you show off your components beautifully. Premium build materials give you durability and high-end looks. Flexible cooling and installation options for both performance and aesthetics. Supports GPU and CPU high-end builds and subsets thanks to internal space. Available in 2 finishes to match your setup style. Ideal for gamers, streamers, and PC build enthusiasts. Offers a combination of functional airflow and display appeal. Cons: larger than compact cases, so it needs a bit more desk or floor space. The glass panels add some weight and require careful handling during setup. Though stylish, hardcore silent build or extreme cooling users may prefer more specialized cases. Final thoughts: if you're ready to build a PC that's not just powerful, but also a visual centerpiece, the Lian Li PC011 Transparent is hard to beat. It blends premium materials, transparent design, and flexible cooling options in a way that looks as good as it performs. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or showing off your rig, this case elevates the experience. Want this for your next build? Check the link below. Don't wait! Make your next rig a showstopper. Check the price link in the description and subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more awesome gear and build inspiration.